Hello guys, welcome to this part of the training. My name is Freedom as always, and in this part of the training I'm going to be showing you how to create, or better still, how to get video ideas for your channel. In subsequent videos we've looked at how to use AI to create stunning videos for our channel, but in this part of the training I'm going to be showing you something special, something that is really priceless. So let's get into it. The tool we are going to be using for this is called invideo. Yes, invideo.io/AI. invideo.io. So when you go to invideo.io, it will ask you to sign up. When you sign up, it is going to ask you to enter your email address and all of that, and when you're done it brings you to this particular page, which is the home page, and this is where the magic happens. Now let me explain invideo to you. Invideo is an AI tool that creates videos for you from start to finish. You do not have to do any job at all, unlike the AI part of it where you have to you have to create realistic AI art and then convert the voice and then generate the script and then merge it together. This is a straightforward movement and a straightforward platform. So follow me closely as I walk you through this process. So here is where we have the premium AI we are going to be using. Here is we're going to be using either YouTube Shorts, Explainer, or recent video. So let's just leave it on let's say YouTube Explainer. Alright, no, let's leave it this way. So here I'm going to say, because I'm in the tech space, I'll say a 2 minutes clip. 2 minutes clips on / about technology that admonishes my viewers to learn the tech skills. In the end, they are advised to subscribe to Freedom Tech's YouTube channel. Let's do it that way. YouTube channel, and register for his training so as to survive in the tech industry. Okay, so that's my prompt, and I hope this works. Just like the other AI tools, you have to be very specific about the kind of prompts that you want. You also have to be very upward and straight to the point. There is no beating about the bush, and you shouldn't be feeding it with bad impression. So let's go. Generate video. So it takes some time to analyze. I might have to pause this video and allow. Okay, it's analyzed. Now it's thinking. It's going to come up with the title, it's going to come up with the caption, it's going to come up with, wow, see the beautiful title it generated: Survive the Tech World with Freedom Tech. Just by this simple prompt that I gave to it, it's even included the name. So here it's saying that the audience are tech enthusiasts, they look real for minimalist modern, and the platform is YouTube. So let's continue. So we're going to give it some time to load. It's also going to analyze, get the ideas, synchronize it, plan the script, and in a very short while, this is a 2 minutes clip like we instructed the AI, so it might take some minutes to actually generate a clip. So you be patient when you click on continue and allow it to load. Having said that, you might want to look up here. You notice that there is a button here that says remove watermark. It's actually the paid version of this AI tool. So you can actually subscribe to the paid version. When you subscribe to the paid version, you will not have the name of invideo on your videos, and you will have the images will not have the watermark on them. Okay, so you can just go ahead and use subscription so that you can enjoy the full benefits of this tool, this model. So we say this is ready, and our video is really generating, and it's moving. It's actually moving very fast. So there's nothing for me to pause the video or anything. The thing is ready, and there's a call to action. Yes. So let's allow it to load. Okay, there we have it. There we have it. So the video was actually separated into 4 places. 1, 2, 3, 4, okay, 5 places. So let's view and see. See how fast it was to generate this video for us. And it gave us 2 minutes, 1 second. So let's wait for it. If you're using your mobile phone, this might take longer time to load, but it will definitely load, and you will be able to play your video. We're waiting for the video to play, and when it does, we might want to come here and
have you ever wondered
just export. Okay, so that is our video playing.
how much we rely on technology in our
Okay, so the video is ready and it's playing. I'm just going to pause it, and I'll go ahead and export it. Mind you, you can edit the script, right? Because it generates a script for you automatically. So you can just go and edit the script when you click on the edit button. Okay, so when you click on the edit button, you are able to quickly edit the scripts. You know, change some words that you feel are not necessary, remove whatever you feel should be removed, or even add something that you feel should have been added in the course of the video. Okay, so when you're done with that, you can now go ahead and download your video. So here we are. I'm going to export, and if you want the paid version, all of this may not have any effects for you. So all of this are the paid version of it. So use this document because I'm using the free version. Just click on continue, then allow it to load. So the video rendering, and in less than a minute or thereabouts, it's supposed to render. When I say render, I mean it's fine the video. So that is it, it's rendering. So here's my video. I can choose to play it from here again, or I can just go ahead and download it, finish rendering. This video is almost ready, as you can see. So we're waiting for this button to be active so that we can click on it and then download our video. Okay, so I'll click on download, and my video has started downloading. So I'm going to pause this video and allow it to download. When it's downloaded, I'll come back and play it and be sure that the video has been downloaded.